You're obviously one of the several overseas-based players in the Springbok setup, and there's kind of a renewed debate around the selection of players. And obviously, Coach Jake White recently said he believes all players should be based in South Africa to make our competition a bit more stronger. As someone playing abroad, what is your opinion about having the best players based in South Africa, like the likes of yourself, RG Snyman, all of the guys currently top picks for the Boks? Do you think that makes a difference in terms of our growth of South African rugby?
Yeah, I think, obviously, first of all, I think if you look at a coach like Jake, he's also coached in Japan for 5 years. I think he's coached over in France for another couple of years, which has probably given or made him a better coach. And he's learned probably a lot of IP there from different kind of players and different ways of how people think and how they want to play and approach the game. So I think from my personal point of view, and I know a lot of the other guys share similar thinking processes. When you go over there, you're playing with Fijians, Tongans, New Zealanders, Australians, Welsh guys, English guys, and you learn different things from everyone. And I think it's also good to see the game in a different view, in a different way. And I think I've certainly enjoyed it. Being over in Japan, there's a lot less distractions than being back here in South Africa. So it's been great in terms of working on our games. And I think the guys that come back from overseas always come back into camp pretty focused and willing to work hard. So I think it's been great.
Zeke, can I just add to that one? Just to maybe put that in perspective, I think if you look about players that we've selected for the Springboks, I think you'll find very seldom that a player younger, 26, 27, we have very seldom picked a young player. I think Jasper must have been one of the youngest players that we've picked from abroad, and I think it was 24, 25. I'm not 100% sure. I think 26 already. So when Joarno was actually called up now, yes, he was SA Junior, World Junior Player of the Year, I think, but that was 2017 or something like that. He's been abroad for many years, and unfortunately he's injured now, so he won't be joining us, and that's the reason Evan. And for all the other reasons people are saying Evan is pulled up is because Cameron and Joarno is out. So we don't encourage a young player to go over there and think we're going to pick him from there. I think if you go through our list, there's very few young players that actually get picked there. So if you just look at the Bulls team who plays this weekend, there's at least 13 Springboks in there. Northampton beat Leinster. There was not a lot of English players in there. They beat Leinster. Bulls can beat Leinster this weekend. Is it then a bad thing? If Ruan Norkia came through because RG and Loot is not playing there, but Ruan has showed he's what he can do, and Kobus Wiese is there. Again, if you look from the other side of the coin, maybe for example the Bulls, is Kirtley from Pretoria. Is who of the Bulls teams are actually from Pretoria? So doesn't that really take a lot from the Stormers team? So, there's always a lot of arguments or different views about that. But if the Bulls win this weekend, what would it mean? It would be fantastic that all of those Springboks and a lot of guys, Sebastian is knocking really hard on the door. Kriel is really knocking hard on the door. So then there's another few Springboks in the making for us. So it's not an argument, sorry. It's just a different way at looking at things,